Hello and welcome to this TDD tutorial. And welcome to the 5th section of this course. Also, congratulations, since this is the final section of the course. In this section, we will learn what is continuous integration, and we are going to learn it with examples. To be more precise, in this section, we are going to see what is continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous development, and what are the major continuous integration tools available on the market today. Apart from that, we are going to see examples of continuous integration with Kravis CI and AppVeyor. So let's start from the first video of this section, exploring continuous integration and continuous deployment. So basically, in this video, we are going to see what is continuous integration, what is continuous deployment, what is continuous development, and we are going to see what are the differences between all these terms. So let's start from continuous integration. Continuous integration is a process in which developers merge their changes back to the main branch as often as possible. The developers' changes are validated by creating a build and running automated tests against that build. By doing so, you avoid integration hell. That is what usually happens when people wait for the release day to merge all their changes into the main branch. Continuous integration puts a great emphasis on a testing automation to check that the application is not broken upon any new commit. And basically, to sum it up, developers merge changes directly or as often as possible to the main branch, build is then run, and automated tests verify that application is still good. Continuous delivery goes one step further. It is an extension of continuous integration, and it is making sure that you can release rather quickly. Basically, you can release new changes to your customers quickly and in a sustainable way with a click of a button. This means that on top of having automated tests, you also have automated the releases process. So you can deploy your application basically whenever. In continuous delivery, you can decide to release daily, weekly, during the night, or whatever schedule suits your business requirement. Continuous development goes even further than that. In this practice, every change that passes all stages of production pipeline is released to the customer. This means that once build is done, automated tests pass, all changes are automatically deployed to production. There is no human intervention, and only failed tests will prevent a new change to be deployed. This is how that looks like. Basically, if you take a look at these two processes, continuous delivery and continuous development, you can see that continuous integration is a main part of both of them. And the only difference between these two streams is that in continuous delivery, deployment is done manually, while in continuous development, this process is also automated. So what are the benefits of all these practices and all these processes? Well, less bugs get shipped to production as regression are captured early by automated tests. The complexity of deploying software has also been completely taken away, and development is faster because releases don't pause it. You don't have some sort of a release day which will stop developers from developing, and basically they will then do their jobs in a much more relaxed and easier way.